Hello students, welcome to Python programming class lecture 34. We are learning unit 4 part 3 files. Let's check the syllabus once again. Persistence, reading and writing, format operator, file name and paths, catching exceptions, databases, pickling, pipes and writing modules. In previous lecture, 3 topics are completed: persistence, reading and writing and format operator. In today's lecture, we will learn two topics: file name and paths, catching exceptions. In coming lectures, we will learn another topics. Right? Let's get into the today's lecture: file name and paths, catching exceptions. First one, so files. The files are organized into directories, folders. Right? So you are opening the folders. Inside the folder, you are opening the files. Right? Those are called directories. So OS module provides, OS means operating system. So OS module provides so many functions that working with files and directories. Right? Now, see here, os dot get CWD. CWD stands for current working directory. So what it will returns the name of the directory. So first import OS. We need to import OS module, right? So already I told that OS is a module. So we need to import the modules first. So import OS print of os dot get CWD current working directory. So this is my current working directory now for Python, right? So your directory will display after execution of that, right? That is the file name and paths. Next, coming to the catching exceptions. So see here, first one, fin is a variable. Open the file, bad file. So not only bad file, this is a file name. This is a file name. If the file is not available in the directory, right? So suppose you are opening the file. If the file is not in the folder, what you will do? Is it possible to open? No. So same thing, the Python will return no such file or directory. So this file is not present. Another one, you are writing a file, fout, open, some file path, writing method. So you are using write operation. Here you will get error like this: permission denied. Right? So for this file, permission not given. Why? Some protection is there. It is only read-only file like that. Right? So this is not occur. Next, another one, you are opening a directory. You are opening a folder, not file. So it says is a directory. It is a directory, not file. Right? It shows like this. Right? So these are the exceptions in the file opening or reading. So how to handle this exception means by using try except method. Right? First you have to try. So what you have to try? Open this file. If the file is present, for line in the fin, print the lines and then close the file. Open the file, read the lines, print the lines and close the file. If the file is not available, so what you have to print? Something went wrong, right? So that is catching exceptions. So that's the concept. That's the today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.